guys, I'm Alix Traeger. I'm a cooking content creator. Welcome to my home. This home is designed top to bottom by me, and it's very heavily influenced by my love of both Japanese and Scandinavian designs. I also love a lot of natural elements, and of course, I am a cooking video producer, so the kitchen is huge for me. Let me show you around. First up, the living room. I love a big, comfy couch. I actually chose black because I am spill prone, but it is very comfy, and it's also a pull-out bed just in case we have extra guests. I've started collecting the menus I get at restaurants I go to and framing them up, and it's just a really nice personal touch. Obviously, they hold memories when I go to these dinners, and also, of course, everything in my life relates back to food. I'm definitely collecting cookbooks, and this is where I can keep them displayed. It's also a wooden shelf. You'll see a lot of wood elements in here because I love the look and natural feel of wood. My kitchen was gonna be very neutral, so I wanted my bar moment to be super loud, just like I am. This countertop I love. It's got corals and grays and blues and greens, and it actually happened to work really well with my Gucci wallpaper. This coral kind of ties it together. And of course, over here, one of the favorite things of this whole apartment, I chose this gold faucet that actually has filtered, sparkling, and boiling water on tap. It's incredible. And welcome to my kitchen. It's of course the heart of my home. Today I'm making Persian food. My girlfriend is Persian, so we eat a lot of Persian food in this house, and I love challenging myself to learn how to make different dishes. So today I'm making some salad shirazi. We've got our tahdig, or crispy rice cooking. We've got lebna, we've got lavash. First up, let's get chopping for our salad shirazi. I designed this kitchen to be very beautiful because I wanted my background to be something that was really reflective of me, because it was also going to be in all of my cooking videos. So the countertops I chose is a quartzite countertop. It's called Taj Mahal. There's lots of golds and creams and whites in it that play really well with the gold hardware on the cabinets and also the wood elements in here. Very important that you use Persian cucumber for this. They're smaller, they're a little bit sweeter, and they have less seeds. When I make my TikTok videos, I love to show the real me cooking at home, so I'm always including my mistakes and mishaps. Salt, pepper. No? Okay, sorry, no pepper. But you know what? I love having fun, and that's what it's all about. For me, at least, cooking is so fun, and I like to share that with the world. Okay, I'm using Zoya's dry dill from Iran, but you can just use any dry dill. Look at all those colors. It smells so good. Ah, rice is ready. Let's go get it. So this is tahdig. It's Persian crispy rice. It translates to bottom of the pot. So what you do is flip it over, and hopefully it's nice and golden and crispy, but you never really know. Woo! And there you go, tahdig for two. Woo! It's like a big Persian burrito. So good. Unfortunately, this is tahdig for two, so I don't have enough for you. But now you know how to make it at home, so I'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.